Hi guys, my name is Teena and this is going to be me trying a Patrick Starrr makeup tutorial. This is not it. I actually forgot to make an intro. So this is just an intro that I filmed a few days after I filmed the actual tutorial. You know how this goes, so with all that said, let's just go on to the tutorial. Okay, I'm just going to skip it to the actual makeup tutorial.
Alright guys, first things first, I am taking
I don't have a Glam Glow, but I have a mask.
One, and it is dry.
Okay, this one is from Lohasel. It's the only mask I have. I don't really wear masks, so pardon.
Oh, look, it's already flap.
Ay, wait, tapos na siya. Wait, pause.
So, we're gonna...
Ano ba to? Ano ba yan? Tapos na siya. So, should I be doing it na? Hello, edi ang tagal pa nito. Do you ever put mask ba ng ano? Bago mag-makeup?
Nope.
Diba? Pero I'll do it anyway. Kasi sabi ni Patrick Starrr. Uy, bango. Okay, I'll leave this on siguro mga 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and I'll BRB.
And the skin. I tried this new spray here. This is by H2O, the Oasis Quench the Dehydrated.
I don't have that, but I have Avene.
Spraying the face. Ooh, do you see the? You can see the mist up in this camera. Okay, HD. Come on, 2018.
Okay, okay na.
Slow-mo. As my skin is soaking in all that goodness, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to brows. Brows, we want full.
Wait! Oh my god, nagkilay na siya. I have Benefit.
I'm gonna go ahead
so
and fill in the bottom of my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So before I move to I wanted to show you guys a trick because
mahirap. Nahirapan ako no Mel. Kasi yung brows niya ang super dark. Kasi black yung gamit niya. Oh my gosh, first time ko mag-brows first before foundation.
So these are my brows. These are my brows. I know that looks scary, but we're gonna blend a little bit later. Y'all know the drill. For the face, I'm gonna take a little bit.
Huh? Naglagay siya ng concealer sa ano? Ano ba? Bakit wala instructional? Patrick, concealer here. Maganda ako, period. Okay.
So for foundation, I'm gonna take a...
Wait, primer. Primer. So I didn't see what primer he used, so I'm just going to use this Benefit one.
Brand new foundation. This one is called the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. I heard lots of good things. It's my first time applied directly to the face. Next, for the under eyes, I'm gonna do a concoction of concealers.
Wait lang, boss! Hala, tatlong pump na yon, tapos half pala ng cheeks ko. Okay, but this is how he does it. Kasi sa brush niya nilalagay eh. Patrick, alam ko mayaman ka.
First, I have been loving the YSL Touche Éclat. I have a little rainbow sticker.
I don't have a YSL concealer, so
and I'm in the color 5.5. And I'm just gonna bump this up and simply go in on my face. Alright, now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend all this concealer. And bounce the beauty blender all over my face.
Where's the kilay mo?
Eh, shine!
Alright guys, I'm gonna immediately set with my
I don't have her.
I
don't have his powder.
MAC Cosmetics.
Because
we're
it's
launching
sold out
internationally this month.
So I'm just gonna use the
I am going to the
Air
Philippines
Sponge.
if you guys didn't know. I'm going at the end of the month, so if you're there, see ya!
Alam mo itong powder na to, parang di ako makahinga.
Just beat your face like you in the 90s. Like you a 90s supermodel, okay? Because everything back then was matte. I love Top Model because it shows diversity and beauty, and I love what Tyra has created, and that's everything that I stand for. And as you guys know, I'm amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am filming with the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette.
I don't have that, but I have Juvia's palette.
I'm gonna start off and take a little bit of caramel, and apply this all over the crease. Ooh, so soft. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of hazelnut and mix it with mocha.
Ito yung kapalpakan pag gumagaya ka tapos hindi naman pareho yung mga gamit. So I don't have that either, but I have this Duraline from Inglot and this MAC pigment called Darling Coquette. Ang bilis naman kasi, naka-edit na to eh. Ang daya naman eh. Sabihin nila, daya mong reklamo.
I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the center of my lid.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Oh.
So pretty.
No.
Okay, so for this look, I have been loving this Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in dark brown. I just love a good liner. So instead of black, the brown just adds some sort of softness and elegance. MAC pencil. It's such a pretty color. So creamy. Clothes by MAC are so soft. It's in the color called Costa Riche. And I'm gonna take the newest Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit.
O, tinan mo, nag-falsies na siya kaagad. Be right back, guys. Daya.
I smoked it out, something was off. So I took just some random pair of lashes and I am stacking it for a more full effect.
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna double stack my lashes because I'm not the type. Should I do? I don't want to do it, but I have falsies na parang double stack and that's what I'm going to use. The Lash Lab lashes in Kimberly 3D Mink. Para na siyang double anyway, so I'm gonna use that.
Alright guys, I'm gonna take a little bit of my shadow from my collection Embark and just put this on the outer lash line. I just want to smoke it out and it's one of my favorite colors, so I couldn't resist myself. Let's smoke it, smoky. I love this look. So I'm gonna dust off the fallout.
Hindi na naman sinabi ng mascara siya sa ilan. Naiinis na ako kay, ang bilis ito. I don't like doing this challenge. As much as I love Patrick Starrr, ang hirap mag-follow ng ano, step by step. No man!
Take my Makeup Forever Pro Finish Powder. It's a foundation powder with my Morphe E51 brush. Love brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some color back into my face.
So this one is very light. I'm just gonna use it na lang. Wet and Wild.
Lighter color
Wet and wild.
Are you wet or wild?
I'm gonna take this and push this underneath the eye. Guys, here's another trick. If you guys are drag queens, this is like a must too. You can bake your highlight with a puff. So
bake my highlight with a puff.
Fold it in half and dip into your foundation powder or whatever. This is gonna be a lot, okay? And just take this.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. And you will get the most full coverage of your life. And if you're watching this and you're like, holy hell, that's a lot of powder, just take your Fix Plus or whatever setting spray you prefer and spritz after all the powder is said and done, because this looks beautiful on any skin tone. You just have to work with your skin type. Alright, I'm going to take this color Deep Dark. It's a mineralized skin finish. I love this powder. And this brush, the Morphe Y11, one of my favorites. And contour my face.
Dilaw ko na ba?
Oo, actually. Puputin si kulay dito. Then may divider naman.
Ay nako, I'm just copying him, ha? Okay, blush.
My favorite blush ever. This is called Peaches by MAC. Love.
I don't have Peaches by MAC. Love Struck by J-Cat Beauty and Pumpkin. Peach ba? Parang hindi siya peach. Hindi siya peach.
Okay na yan, day. Okay na.
In case you're wondering why there's someone with me here, meron kaming video na gagawin. Ayan, you know what? Mali. Pero
oh, we're looking for coverage. Last but not least, we are to lips. This is the combo that I was inspired. This is Cork Lip Liner by MAC. Shy Girl lipstick. It's the most beautiful peachy lip ever. And then I have Bow. The secret about this lip combo is blending the lipstick into the liner. Do you see how beautiful it is?
I don't see how beautiful it is. Patrick, ano ba? This is Fenty. Fenty ba?
Kim Kardashian? Is that you?
Kaya mag-hair na siya.
40-inch.
Tapos na ako.
Do you see how long this is? This 40-inch
okay, ayun yung hair ko.
May wind effect.
Kita niyo!
You wanna be on top? Wanna be on top?
Okay guys, so that is it. This is my trying to follow a Patrick Starrr makeup tutorial. Promise, nahirapan ako. I kind of don't want to do this again, pero tell me if you want to see a local YouTuber naman na you want me to follow a makeup tutorial of. Actually, nisip ko nga si Riza. So, do you guys want me to do a Riza? Okay, so I'll just make this short. That is it. It was really hard. I'll insert a clip when I met Patrick Starrr in his event dito sa Pilipinas. The VIPs go first. Kamusta?
Hi, kamusta?
She's so nice. She told me I was beautiful.
Follow her.
Thank you. So it was very, very nice. I gave him a shirt. I love him so much. I cried so much when I met him. I don't know why. Na-in-all out talaga ako pag may nakikita akong mga like favorite YouTubers ko. Kikay of the day is Nomel Javier. Ikaw na lang. Congratulations! Kikay of the day! If you want to be the next video shout out, comment down below. Hashtag Kikay of the day. Also, you can message me or comment on my Instagram. Hashtag Kikay of the day if you want to be the next video shout out. It's that easy. By the way, kung wala pa kayong merch, please check my Facebook page down in the description box. All my merch info will be down there as well. Buy now, join the movement. Maganda ako, period. Patrick has one. You will have one too. So buy one already. Okay, that is it. I have nothing else to say. With all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Wind effect, wind effect.